everyone, it's Sierra from Visa Place, and today I'm going to share some information on how to immigrate from Jamaica to the United States. According to the 2010 U.S. Census, there were 965,355 Jamaican Americans. There are many reasons why Jamaicans choose the United States to be their new home. I'm going to cover life as a Jamaican in the United States and how to immigrate from Jamaica to the U.S. The largest proportions of Jamaican Americans live in South Florida and New York City. Other communities live in cities such as Philadelphia, Boston, Tampa, Los Angeles, Orlando, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Atlanta, Cleveland, Connecticut, West New York, and New Jersey. Jamaicans are the largest immigration group from the Caribbean region living in the United States according to the Census American Communities Survey. People of Jamaican ancestry have a median annual income of $41,000 per year with careers in business, management, science, and arts. There are some key differences in school life between Jamaica and the U.S. Because of the high percentage of international students in the U.S., there are several groups and clubs that help integrate culture into school life. The first 2 years of study are generally compressed with a wide variety of classes and subjects known as your prerequisites. These classes include your history, literature, science, social sciences, arts, and so forth. This helps achieve a general knowledge of a wide variety of subjects before focusing on your specific field of study. The U.S. has a combination of community colleges, state colleges and universities, and privately owned colleges and universities. Your first step will be to explore all your options, and many of your options can be found on collegeboard.org. Many Jamaicans come to the U.S. for higher education and really enjoy it. Studying in the U.S. is not all about the school that you attend and what's being studied. It's about the experience you have while there and how they help people integrate into the American society. Keeping the Jamaican culture alive in the United States is extremely important, and there are many programs and associations that help do so. There are hundreds of associations made to help Jamaicans establish their new life in the United States and to help keep the culture alive in their new country. The National Association of Jamaican and Supportive Organizations is a nonprofit association made up of Jamaicans and supporters from all over the United States. This association wants to unite Jamaicans, their friends, and the supporters in a vehicle for communication and cooperation between organizations and individuals committed to patriotic support for Jamaica. This is just one of many associations across the United States that support Jamaican Americans through events, networking, meetings, and cultural events. Another way to incorporate Jamaican culture in America are through festivals. The annual Jamaican Jerk Fest in Miramar, Florida and Queens, New York have evolved into major events attracting all ethnicities and key demographics. The festival is in the top 2 Jamaican American populated areas. Every year, this festival attracts thousands of people to experience the food, music, dance, and culture of Jamaican people living in the United States. There are many Jamaicans living in the U.S. who have built successful careers, including Jada Pinkett Smith. Coming from her mother's roots in Jamaica, she is an American actress, comedian, singer-songwriter, screenwriter, and businesswoman that married the famous Will Smith in 1997. And Sean Kingston. This one isn't too much of a surprise if you've heard Sean Kingston's catchy tune, Beautiful Girls. Sean Kingston was born in Miami but lived with his parents in Jamaica for several years before immigrating to the States to pursue his music career. There are 4 main ways that you can seek to immigrate: family, job offer, investment, or school acceptance letter. Each category has its own eligibility requirements, and you must meet these requirements in order to immigrate to the United States. So if you're looking to immigrate to the U.S., you can apply through the following methods. Family class sponsorship. Family-based petitions allow immigrants to immigrate based on family relationships already living in the U.S. to apply for green cards. Work visas. There are non-immigrant work visas that allow you to work in the U.S. for a specific amount of time, but then you must return to your home country. However, there are several work visas that can lead to green cards. Investment visas. Investing in the U.S. is a great way to immigrate. This type of immigration can be done with an EB-5 visa. You are eligible for this visa if you have previously or are in the process of investing $1 million in business ventures. You must also plan to create or maintain 10 full-time jobs in the U.S. and student visas. Although studying in the U.S. does not automatically lead to immigration, individuals who have studied in the States are able to apply for work visas and ultimately green cards if they wish. Well, I hope this brief outline on immigrating to the U.S. from Jamaica has helped and inspired you to make the move. Click the link in the description to book a consultation with Visa Place today, and don't forget to subscribe.